Kani gadega Pati CTV.
Myntri Rangbah kajala Dr. Mukul Sangma haka khatsan terik ulber la Wanrah Mang Tyngka jong kajala Kaba Duna 6,000 arspa laipun riu Klur Tyngka na kamentau senam arjar khat nyau khat pra kabawla pen benaru bala pen kieu ya kabai khajna hak tanat transport hakini Mang Tyngka Mukul Sangma babat ru ikapla Tyngka kajala la Wanrah Mang Tyngka kaba khat arajar sanspa arpau Klur Tyngka kabla kham kieu na ka jong senam arjar khat riu khat nyau kabawla Wanrah kabakot shipo jar sispa anyu pulai Klur Kani Mang Tyngka ka antat banyo lum khajna khatwe hajar aspa prapo Klur Tyngka bat ka capital ka balong 6,000 aspa laipo Klur Tyngka Mukul Sangma uong Mang Tyngka ka ba ula Wanrah ka de ka Duna pisa 6,000 aspa laipun riu Klur Tyngka ka balong laipen % jonga GSDP.
Mr. Speaker, sir, for 2017-18, I have estimated the total receipts at rupees 12,510 crore, of which the revenue receipts are estimated at rupees 11,280 crore and capital receipts at rupees 1,230 crore. Excluding borrowings, the total receipts are estimated to be rupees 11,302 crore. On the expenditure side, I have estimated the total expenditure at rupees 12,873 crore during 2017-18, of which revenue expenditure is estimated at rupees 10,648 crore and capital expenditure at rupees 2,225 crore. Excluding repayments of loans, the estimated total expenditure is rupees 12,538 crore. Interest payment during 2017-18 is estimated at rupees 589 crore and pension payment at rupees 730 crore. I am therefore presenting the budget of 2017-18 with a fiscal deficit of rupees 1,236 crore, which is around 3.8% of the GSDP. In conclusion, Mr. Speaker, sir, I have outlined my budget proposals for the overarching theme of sustainable development and convergence and building upon the groundwork and investments made in previous years. Our thrust would now be to implement these proposals in the right earnest to achieve the desired outcome and ensure sustainability of the momentum of growth. With these words, Mr. Speaker, sir, I commend the budget to this August House. Kuble Matela, thank you.
Kani gadega Pati CTV.